Tem tagasngi temu ban le check workshop ba pan bedak SONY chepo Sohra te ngala along excited bani kendo ye kinong sundor ki ba tebet ba kum ba kidan kamay ba andi pariat palino sila bat kiwi de ki bang lawan jer keteng
plan de pintas
ngi plan na kajing sya bangin yami nanin sulong ting ya kendo po Orange Roots restaurant katu restoran Saban Poish po Sohra Cherrapunjee nato pede ngi plan ban le yata ka workshop hajarong joka ksat Dainthlen it'll be very exciting kepada pi perlok pe jangan video hado an takut pinyo I ya kena kajing le jumi po Sohra Dainthlen manas menang ram keren pareng tang ba bai don lang bat kini kiri we te kiba menang ke kasih dah keren dak pareng singi perlok pareng sweet kat sangat pro biasa tu nam sutu nanti along with
my name is Punit. Hey guys, how are you doing?
Okay. Today we are on top of the Dainthlen Fall, which is at Cherrapunjee or Sohra as we call. So I hope you enjoy a lot.
Yes. I hope you guys love the workshop today organized by SONY.
Yes.
And learn a couple of things from us.
Sure.
And don't forget to check out my channel too. I generally keep on post on content about filmmaking and video sort of things, right?
Okay.
And this place is really nice. I came here first time and I really loved this location and the landscape which this location preserves. I am from Delhi right now.
Okay. You work with SONY.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So it's very nice to meet you, sir.
Same here.
And I hope you guys enjoy seeing us together.
Yeah.
And I will put your your link
This
in the description.
Sure.
So do watch his video also. It's all about
Filmmaking.
filmmaking. Yeah. Okay. So if you guys love filmmaking, do watch his channel also.
Yeah. Take care, guys.
Thank you. What about you, sir? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You are from?
I am from Guwahati.
Guwahati. Okay. Your good name?
My name is Ritu Talukdar.
Okay.
And I also work with SONY. I look after the sales part.
Oh, I see.
So yes, I also have been never been to this place before. It's a very nice place. So I'm really lucky, and I like to thank Gideon also for organizing this thing very nicely. Really, it's a very nice experience for me as well.
Perlog tentang sini dia kendo berkini ki perlog juga kayawan akan ke workshop balap dari ban care so the ni so tenat palat baya kendo berkini ki perlog and you are okay from Shillong Studio, right? Ban care bala ais pun kita sini kendo ban sundur. But instrument kadai about workshop kadai bisa ngahi marway na mga nasutan ngayo sipun kiji musay kanik sinta English pun ba bangker mta jing pabet ngayon kamba is number 1 kita So Gideon, thank you so much for organizing this workshop. I enjoy a lot. What do you have to say?
One of the most successful workshop today. Expecting the 20 to 25 only, but then we have 40 plus, 42, 43 I think.
42.
And everyone has enjoyed. We learned something.
Yes.
We have shared our knowledge to the youngsters. Videography session was good. Everything. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much.
Do you enjoy, guys?
Yes, I did. Rishabh, he is from Anthony's mass media.
Oh, that's good.
Yes,
Thank you so much.